My people. It don't happen, it don't shell again, no. You see, people wey they worry us. They say they no go allow us rest. Themselves no go find peace, so. Because themselves no go rest. You see how the matter they go. The matter why they tell us so, it is very big and huge. It's not a small something, it is a big matter. You don't know where the matter they go. It's huge. Jujuaustin do gold digger. How markets? How they play for you right now? How it be? My country people. It don't happen, it don't bust again, no. This one they happen live inside a bullet back. Do the Jujuaustin not believe what they see or hear? Because everything be like joke for her. You don't know the time where they say all set to go. But set to go. I remember the first time. The Jujuaustin going to take a hand and knock chairs. Oh my God, this woman do sha. This woman do me edochie. Like say tomorrow in not day. She do me. She go to use her hand and knock chest 100 times. She go to use her hand knock chest 200 times. May if you don't leave, may I will deal with you. I've friended your husband for 100 years. I've been dating your husband for 20 years. I built the mansion. I contributed. I'm following your husband build school. I bought for your husband. I could say, you say you married to Mr. Obasi. How you come to the friend you for 10 years? My people, you are not the reason ram. Which day, how old are you? How many years you married Mr. Obasi? When you come up for Mr. Obasi, how you take friend you for 10, 20 years? Even she called it and say, if you were to be in my shoe, are you going to leave the man? I say, I cannot be in your shoe. I'm not going to for husband as the friend or other woman husband. They count them 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. So we cannot be in your shoe. My people, una know say everybody don't know yo. Jujuaustin with mama and his sister, all native daughter don't know them. All the native daughter, he don't know them. Now, they can't change strategy. They can't change their way. Make una listen to me, oh. Jujuaustin can say, okay. Most of this native daughter know him mama. Most of them know him papa, her sister, and the brothers. And they know her. Because they one of her auntie, where she they help pay school fees. Now she they do everything for that one. Because in that one she could they use now. Yes. He said that one she go take they do juju now. Now he call and say auntie say when. And they come down, I will tell you what you go do for me. Oh. Auntie say no problem, anything for you, baby. Now he come. You say our family has a day for poverty, so you like him. The auntie say no. She be at the pay school fees, pay everything. That one say yes. He said okay. As the matter they go now, be say, you now, you go help me to do some things. Because as I don't go to stay for hotel for Abuja, they find things to hustle. I don't want to come up for this man's site. And now this man go take us to the next generation. The man family get money. His ex-wife get money. Some money go come to him after their voice. Big one. We go build house. We go chop him. And he contest now for governorship. The auntie said, really? He said, yes. I had okay, what do you want me to do? Now I can say, you see this picture? That one said, yes. You will kind of go so naughty doctor, please. Tell them, say, you won't buy them. You want me to buy anything where they want. Me they give you, you will buy and come. Because according to Jujuaustin, they said if you go native doctor place, you can't give you lists of what you are going to buy to perform the ritual. So now, it can't send the auntie. The auntie can't go. As a originated of the place, that one can't list. They say not be small list too. All life animal. It tell them they kill goat. Tell them they buy dog. Tell them they buy cat. Tell them they buy fowl. Tell them they buy cow. 7 animals plus some small thing where they say make it buy. Where they go buy? If those animals buy the way the man put them, they say may enemy go buy. Now it says a auntie can call Jujuaustin was very happy. Say, so this man go do one for us. Now the woman said yes. Now he can say no problem. They say Jujuaustin can send money. Millions of naira. Now he send. Can give a sister. Her auntie come to enter market. Come buy. She buy heaven and earth. All the list where the woman give him, he buy everything. One not come out because there's money. If you ask me where do they get money, I don't know. Because I don't see the movie where she they at, where people they buy. I don't see how much that they pay her. My people. You see her? I don't see money where they pay her more which for the movie where she they do. So if you say where she for the see money now, I don't know when are the hook up where she they do they give her money because they say hook up they give money well. Where she they see they buy everything. Where she they buy you. Make una they listen to me, my people. No matter we they talk, they go. Something happen. Now he come buy. As the sister buy finish, he come begin. Call and say, oh yeah, all set to go. I don't buy everything, no. That's why I can say no problem. As you don't buy them, I go call the man, tell her say you they come. Now I can say okay. Come call the man. Come tell her say, oh God, he say, eh? He said my sister don't they come, oh. That's why I can say I don't prepare everything. Wait for her. They say they carry truck. They buy the thing. Now truck. They take carry load. They go there. As they go, my people. They don't know where the driver where the Jujuaustin send to come pick his brother. The auntie. The driver they look. They say he carry motor. He collide van with another motor. The one when he carry the things where they want use for me. That one carry him go hit 3. All the animal where they put for back of 3. Everything where they buy. Where they want to use to buy our beautiful queen May. They say animal run come out. So this big motor now, animal carry. Now people come rush them. The woman beats with inside, come carry them go hospital. As they carry them go hospital, they say, according to people when you see them, they say the woman barely talk. Now the woman call it tell them say, now Jujuaustin send them. They go native to a place where they won't buy me. They say they're not sure say the woman make her or you go make herself. Because he barely talk. They can't call, take your phone number, can't call the last number. This last number when they call, my people, now Jujuaustin to the gold digger. That was the last number, say. Now so they can't call and say, your auntie there for hospital. They don't know whether I go survive and it's gone, eh? So call your people, mean they come so hospital. She's there. So now you begin to shout, they cry, say, May don't buy am, May don't buy me, oh. Anything we they do, you know they work, oh. They say that men name it till they cry. On their way going, no. As God says, do something. He allowed them to spend the money first. He allowed them to spend the money first. As they go, now he strike them. This is what we call bunsha. As they go, now he strike them. For road. They don't reach where they go. They don't wait native daughter, wait native daughter, don't wait for them. Now, native daughter come to say, where these people now they call the phone number? As they call the phone number, now they pick up for hospital. Now he calls say, who pick up? They say a doctor. Where the owner of the phone? Come. They say the owner of the phone get accident. They're not sure he go survive him. Then he just drop the phone. Now the matter we see this morning. Now we see the drag. We will see how it go. But according to people we did there, they say they're not sure. So the woman, she make them alive. When they see life, people we they pursue, people we not pursue them. Now see they be. May day in for Lagos. So if they mind our business, when they buy up and down for a matter. Oh, tere. Now waiting with the come bunsha. I be this. You don't happen, you don't set again, no. I say make I come pass the information. Make una answer. She no go let her talk and come out. Say your auntie don't buy for motor accidents. On his way to native daughter to buy you. You no go talk am. You no go let anybody hear the matter safe. Go hide them. Share the video. Let's expose them.